Went into defrost. See if you get steam. First actual defrost of this year. It's on a unit like this. It's not that frozen anymore, so it should come out any minute now. Wow, that thing's quiet. Not seeing any steam. I think this actually might be a Lennox signature collection. You can barely hear it. That 2013 Lennox Elite is running, and there it goes. And it shut off in defrost. Damn. Alright, well, there's the first defrost of this year. It was a late one at that. In March. So, anyways, I guess thanks for watching. I'll try and stick around for that Lennox Elite defrosting. It's actually running right now. Doesn't look frozen up. I'll try and stick around.